Let's call this video an ultimate guide of moving abroad. Everything you need to know about moving from one country to the country of your dreams, you will find in this particular video. So, are you ready to take your chance and move abroad in 2024? Whether you are dreaming about sipping that espresso in Italy, exploring vibrant cities of London, or enjoying endless hikes somewhere in Norway, moving abroad can be your adventure of a lifetime. But certainly, it is not without its challenges. Hi guys, I'm Goldman and I used to live in 7 countries in the world. Currently, I'm spending my life between California, Los Angeles and Europe, including London, Paris, Rome or Norway. And if you ever thought about moving from your country to that country of your dream, temporary or permanently, you should definitely check my free relocation guide, which you will find in the description to this video. Just feel free, download it, go through it to realize how you can make the dream come true for you in the best ways possible. Also, the 1st of October 2024, I'm starting my relocation course, successful relocation course for those of you who would like to move from one country to another, but avoid all the mistakes, all the pain points I was collecting for 15 years of me living abroad. And I want to make your relocation to the country of your dreams successful, easy, happy. Even before your final move to the country of your dreams, you will know exactly what to expect and you will be 100% ready for it. So, starting from the 1st of October, you will get 11 recorded lessons you will be having every single week, but also we will have actual, live, real-time meetings every Thursday. You can send me your resume and I will give my comments to you, or you can prepare the list of your questions to ask me about your successful relocation, and every Thursday, starting from the 1st of October, I will be happy to answer your questions and to help you with your successful relocation. The link to my course is also in the description to this video. Go and check it out, and I will be happy to see you as a part of this successful relocation community. We will also have an active WhatsApp group where you can ask all the questions you have in mind. You can share all your fears and all your pains about your future relocation, and myself, my team, immigration lawyers, language tutors and other really cool people will be happy to help you with your successful move. Check it out, come to us, join us, we will be happy to have you as a part of our community. And certainly I will provide you all necessary documents and references for your immigration process and also for your future job. If you are willing to get a job in the country of your dreams, I will be happy to assist you with references and help you and guide you how to do this easy, happy and successfully. But today, let's dive into everything you need to know before your successful relocation to the country of your dreams. And similar to my free successful relocation guide, the link to it you can still find in the description to this video, this video will be packed with vital information, some essential steps you will need to take, all insider knowledge to help you make your move easy, pleasant, and most importantly, successful. So, let's get it started. Our question number 1 for today, and why? Why to move abroad? And the first thing what usually comes to our mind, why? Why should I move abroad? For many Americans, it's all about seeking new experiences, embracing different cultures, and sometimes finding a lower cost of living, like Italy, for example, or much better life and work balance. Talking about Norway. Maybe you are chasing a better job opportunity, or you want to change your current scenery, or you just want to live that expat lifestyle. Whatever your personal reason is, 2024 is an ideal time to make this move. Just imagine waking up to new adventures every single day, learning a new language or expanding your worldview. Sounds amazing, right? But how do you make this happen? Our second point, and let's talk about choosing the right destination for you, as this is definitely our step one and choosing your new home correctly. This is entirely true. Your world is your oyster. But where is this right place for you? Let's break this down together. First of all, consider such factors like climate, language, cost of living, and visa requirements, of course. Top popular destinations for Americans, as I mentioned it in my previous video, include Canada, Norway, Italy, Mexico, Spain, and Australia. Each country offers something absolutely unique, whether it's a laid-back lifestyle, cultural richness, or your professional and financial opportunities. Also, always think about that local community. Are there any other experts? Is it easy for you to integrate? As those are the key factors of feeling home abroad. Our point number 3, and how about all these visas, work permits, and other immigrational requirements? Yes, as our next step, let's talk about not so glamorous steps of every relocation. But this is super important stuff to take under consideration, to mention it now. It's your visa and other legal requirements. As you know, every single country has its own visa requirements, and the process can vary significantly, even if we're talking about just Europe, but all the countries here, they're all different. And first of all, we will need to research that visa that fits your own purpose, whether it's for work, study, or retirement. Good news for you, and especially for people like me running businesses remotely, some countries, and it's becoming so popular in Europe, now they're offering digital nomads specific visas, which could be a perfect fit for you and the easiest one to get. Don't forget to check all residency rules, as some countries require you to spend a certain amount of time there each year if you want to maintain your visa status. And essential tip right away, start your visa application process earlier, as this process can take several months of your life and require tons of different documents to support your move. And if you want to make this process much easier for you, I also listed some contacts of trusted immigration lawyers in my free relocation guide. Check them out, approach, give them this specific code so they will understand that you're coming from this channel, and they will definitely help you make that visa application process much more pleasant. Moving abroad, unfortunately, is never cheap, but with the right planning and taking the right steps, it's more than doable. First and absolutely essential, research the cost of living in the country of your dreams. Simple Google search and a number of different websites will give you a clear estimation what to expect from cost of living in your chosen country. As you will also want to set aside your relocation budget for your flights, shipping your belongings, and your initial accommodation. And remember, exchange rate can also fluctuate, so keep an eye on your financial planning to avoid any surprises. And definitely open your international bank account, or at least international payment system like Revolut, the one I'm using. I'm also giving all this information, you know where, my free relocation guide. Now let's talk about making the move. Yes, talking about logistics and packing. Once all your preparation and your paperwork is done, it's time to pack up and finally move. But what do you take to your new country, and what do you leave behind? Definitely start by decluttering. Take with you only what you really need and what is really hard to replace or expensive. Sell, donate, or store the rest. When you're packing your stuff, always think about the climate and your lifestyle in that new country. You might definitely need different clothes or gear if you're moving to places like Norway or Italy. Keep this in mind. Moving to another country, shipping can be really expensive. So always calculate the cost of moving, especially big items, versus buying the same ones when you arrive. Our next part, unsettling in and cultural shocks. My congratulations, you arrived. Now comes the fun part of settling into your new life abroad. Definitely the first few weeks can be overwhelming. New language, new customs, new everything. But embrace it and start by exploring your new neighborhood, trying this new local food, and making an effort to meet local people, and definitely expect some cultural shocks. It's absolutely normal. It can take some time to adjust, but always remember you are not alone. There are some online expat communities like our one on WhatsApp if you sign for my course, local meetups, and even some apps designed specifically to meet you with the locals or other experts. I'm saying this all the time. Ideally, you need to start learning that new language 6 to 12 months before your final move, but still, if it's already too late and your final move is in 2-3 months, make sure that you will learn some key basic phrases in that new language, as learning those main phrases in the local language can bring you a long way in making connections with the locals and feeling more at home. Our part 7, and that's a tricky one, staying connected with your family and friends in your own country. Keep this in mind. Moving abroad doesn't mean losing touch with home. In fact, staying connected with your friends and your family back home is a huge part in your well-being and your mental state when you're moving abroad. These days we have crazy amount of different apps to use like WhatsApp, Zoom, FaceTime to keep in touch with our dear loved ones. And if your decision is to stay long-term in your dream country, make sure that you will plan your trips back home. Or you can always have your family and your friends to visit you. Building your new life abroad is so exciting, but maintaining your ties to home can definitely keep you grounded. So there you have it, your ultimate guide to moving abroad in 2024, all in one video. And if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe and ring that notification bell for more helpful videos about your future relocation to the country of your dream. And if you have any specific questions about your relocation case, drop them in the comment section down below. I will do my best to help you out, and I can't wait to see all of you guys joining my successful relocation course. I wish you all an amazing, successful relocation to the country of your dreams. I love you so much, guys, and can't wait to see you in my next videos. Bye for now.